my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Blessing. Thank you for the likes, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for sharing the past videos with your friends and family. So today I'm going to talk about step-by-step registration process for Nclex RN exam for foreign trained nurses. In my previous video, I already spoke about how to register with New York Board of Nursing without using third-party agents or agency. Yeah, but today I'm going to talk about other state boards of nursing. So what is the first thing to do? If you are considering registering with any state board of nursing in the United States, let's talk about Illinois, Texas, Colorado, or whichever state you desire to start your registration with. The first thing to do is to have your credential evaluation. So there are some credential evaluation bodies that Board of Nurses actually recognize, and the most popular one is the CGFNS. And CGFNS, they recently changed their name to True Merit. But it's not just CGFNS that you can use. You can also use Joseph Sini. You can also use IERF and also use ECE, depending on the state board of nursing you desire to register with. So I would just advise that if you have any state board of nursing in mind, just go to their website and see which agency they require you to do your credential evaluation with. So depending on whichever agency you choose, they are going to require you to send your transcripts, your academic transcripts. You are going to send your license verification to that particular agency, and while filling your form, it will be required of you to state which board of nursing you want the report to be sent to. So once your report is ready, the agency will send it directly to the state board of nursing specified on your application. So after doing that, and you are going to pay the necessary fee, because the fee is not the same depending on which agency you choose to use. And after doing that, you go to the Board of Nursing website, that particular Board of Nursing you choose. Let's take, for example, Texas Board of Nursing. You go to their website and fill out an application for RN licensure application with that Board of Nursing. So for this video, I'm using Texas Board as an example. So you pay the necessary fee and you'll see the requirements on their website. After creating your profile, you see everything that is required of you. So for Texas Board of Nursing, they require you to do a jurisprudence exam, which is an open book exam that you can do multiple attempts. It doesn't have a specified attempt. You can do it as many times until you get the required scores. And they also require fingerprints, like background check. You do your background check and your fingerprinting, you go do fingerprinting, and it will be sent to, they have the vendor they use. So everything is on their website. So I'm just using them as an example. So you have to meet up with all the requirements from the state board of nursing, which is usually stated on their website. You look at the internationally trained nurse aspect of it for you to be able to meet up with everything that is required of you. So on board of nursing require you to do English tests even at the point of application. Yeah, but some don't. That is the reason why I mentioned some states that are friendly with foreign trained nurses, which are, for example, New York Board, Texas Board, and Illinois Board of Nursing. So once you have met up with all those requirements, you have to register with Pearson VUE, just like the other one I said. Once everything is checked, the next thing for you to register with Pearson VUE, you pick Nclex RN Exam, then you pay $200. You have to create a profile on the Pearson VUE website when you're doing that, and you pay $200 for the Nclex RN Exam, after which the Board of Nursing we now send you your authorization to test. Then you go back to Pearsonville website to schedule your exam. Yeah, that's it. So I hope this video helps someone who will rather choose another board of nursing to write their Nclex RN exam. Thank you. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any question, you can just put it in the comment section. I'll always come back to respond to your comments. Thank you. Bye.